Hey everyone, just want to welcome you to Fairways Golf Simulators right here in Big Fork, Montana. We're just going to put together a few videos for you, everything from how to book with us, how to enter our facility, and how to jump onto the system and start playing golf. First things first, when you want to go to book with us, you're just going to go onto our website, fairwaysgolfbigfork.com, and from there it's super easy. You're just going to click book now, and the system will take you through the options. You can book by the hour in 30-minute increments, and once you book with us, the system is going to send you a PIN code about 10 minutes before your booking time, and that's the code that you're going to use to get into the door. So it's really simple, 4-digit code. Just gonna type that in, it'll beep twice and then you're in. So when you enter into our facility, this is what you're gonna see. We have two different bays. So when you're checking out, you have the option of Woods Bay, which is on the right-hand side, and Swan Range, which is on the left-hand side. Another option that you're going to have when you're checking out is an add-on option for rental clubs, and those are going to be located right over here. This is where we have our rental clubs right on the back wall here. We have 4 sets. There are 2 right-handed sets, a left-handed, and a youth set. You can either add those on as an option in checkout, or we have a QR code here that you can scan. When you head over to the computer, this is probably what you're going to see. The system goes to sleep after some time, so you just want to wiggle the mouse and it will wake everything up. The projector will turn on, and the TrackMan application should already be open here. Now on the computer, on our system, we have a number of different options for you. Just going to run you through just a quick little bit on getting you started. If you want to just practice, you'll hit the practice. It's touch screen. You can also use the mouse. If you go to the range, that's going to give you just normal driving range, but notice that it will have a lot of different analytics for you to be able to look at. You'll be able to see your swing, dial it in. Shot analysis is going to be a little bit more in depth than that. And then it has a number of different other opportunities for you to be able to test your skills via practice, not really on course necessarily, although there is one on-course practice opportunity. For courses, you'll just select courses, and you have our various groupings. You can just go to the full, all the way to the right is our full list. And as you can see, there's just tons and tons of different courses to choose from. We'll just select one at random. You'll go in, continue. You'll need to add player. If you have a TrackMan account, this is when you can sign in to your account. If not, no problem. You'll just want to add guest. You can type in your name, select which tees you want to use. Then you'll go into game settings, which I just selected right over here on the right-hand side. Game settings, you can choose which format you want to play in, stroke net, match play. You can select your holes, whether you want to play the front 9, back 9, or all the holes. Pin locations. The big one that I want to point out for you guys is putting. Now, putting is difficult in general, but putting on a simulator can add one more layer of difficulty because you don't have the real depth perception feel. So I would recommend, if you're just getting started with us, you select auto putt, and you can select a few different options in the auto putt. Basically what that's going to do is once you get on the green, it'll give you an automatic 2-putt unless you land on the green within the gimme range, which you can also set. So let's go ahead and get started. Ball placement is going to be important. So underneath our launch monitor, which is located up top, you're just going to want to set the ball in the middle of the hitting mat. A lot of times righties will want to set up way over here so you have plenty of room, but we did build our space to have plenty of room for everyone to be able to swing. You can align it on the right side of the center. The system will detect if it's a little bit too far outside. And it won't actually register if it's outside of the hitting area. So you're just gonna wanna make sure it's inside the hitting area. System will pick it up, and let's go ahead and take a swing. All right, now we're off to play.